Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. Are you in a situation when you're trying to change your TikTok account's password, but when verifying your account, you're not receiving the 4-digit code? In that case, there are a few tips and tricks which will help you come around in this situation. The first thing you'll need to do is go check your internet connection. Check if your Wi-Fi or your cellular data connection is working just fine. Once it is, go to your TikTok and try again. Another fix you can try out is to force restart the app. In order to force restart the app, go to your app drawer and tap open the settings on your phone. Once you do that, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps and the Settings. Now find the TikTok application from the list, or you can simply search for TikTok in the search box at the top. Once you find the app, tap it open and locate the Force Stop button and tap it on to stop the TikTok app from running in the background. The Force Stop button is located at the bottom right. Give it a tap and from the pop-up, select OK. Close the setting app and go back to your app drawer, tap open TikTok application and relaunch it. If this works, then it's great. If not, another thing you can try out is clear TikTok's cache. Tap open your settings one more time and tap on Apps. Search for TikTok from the app list and tap it on. This will open the application's information page. Tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache button at the bottom right. Now that you've cleared TikTok app's cache, open the TikTok app again and try resetting your password to see if the verification code error is resolved. Another thing you can check is go to your Play Store and see if your app is up to date. If it is not, tap on the Update button and update your application to the latest version. Go back to TikTok and try again. The last tip and trick I have for you today is to go to your settings one more time and under Settings, select Apps, search for TikTok again, and from this page, under App Settings, tap on Permissions. Ensure that no permissions are denied for TikTok on your device. In case some permissions are denied, tap on Allow and go back to TikTok and try changing a password one more time and see if it resolves your issue. That is how you can try out some tips and tricks in order to fix the 4-digit code error on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.